Digital circuits are designed in such a way that they understands only binary language. Okay, so binary language means what? How many codes are there in binary language? There are only two codes, 0 and 1. So from now onwards we will see all operations regarding binary numbers. So let's see first rules for binary addition. So if there are two binary numbers and if we want to add them, then let's see the rules. Okay, the first number is called as adjoint and the number to be added is called as addend. So if we want to perform addition of two numbers a and b, so if we want to perform addition of a plus b, the numbers a and b can be, they can be, both can be 0 0, they can be 0 1, means a can be 0, b can be 1. Another combination can be a can be 1, b can be 0, or both can be 1 1. So by using two binary numbers 0 and 1, we can have total 4 combinations. So what are the combinations? Both a and b can be 0 0, a can be 0, b can be 1, or a can be 1, b can be 0, or both can be 1 1. So these are 4 combinations. So let's see, if we perform addition of a plus b, then what can be the result? Okay, there can be carry and sum, and their combined result we will write here. So if we will add 0 plus 0, then carry will be 0, sum will be 0, and their combined result will be 0 0. Now if we will add 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, then carry will be 0, sum will be 0 plus 1, sum will be 1, and their combined result will be 0 1. 0 1, carry 0, sum 1. If we will add 1 plus 0, then again carry will be 0, sum will be 1 plus 0 will be 1, again their combined result will be 0 1. Now if we will add 1 plus 1, then carry will be 1, sum will be 0, and their combined result will be 1 0. So these are rules for binary addition. Now let's see the rules for binary subtraction. Means we want to perform the subtraction of a minus b. Okay, the first number from which we want to subtract any number is known as minuend. Okay, the number to be subtracted is known as subtrahend. In case of subtraction, the carry is known as borrow. We call it as borrow. The subtraction is difference, and the combined result of borrow and difference will be result. Okay, again, as this is binary subtraction, the combination for binary numbers 0 and 1 will be, they both can be 0 0, they can be 0 1, they can be 1 0, or both can be 1 1. Okay, so if both numbers a and b, they are 0 0, then borrow will be 0, difference will be 0, hence the combined result will be 0 0. Now if a is 0, b is 1, means we are subtracting largest number from smallest number, so there will be a borrow, which is 1, and 0 minus 1, difference will be 1, so their combined result will be 1 1. Okay, again I am repeating, we are subtracting here largest number from smallest number, 0 minus 1, so there will be borrow 1, 0 minus 1, difference will be 1, hence their combined result will be 1 1. Next combination is 1 0, means we are subtracting 0 from 1, so 1 minus 0, there will not be any borrow, difference will be 1 minus 0 1, and their combined result will be 0 1. Next combination is 1 1, 1 minus 1, no borrow, no difference, hence the combined result is 0 0. Okay, now let's solve some problems related to binary addition and subtraction. Such kind of questions can be asked in exam, like state rules of binary addition and subtraction. If a equal to 1 1 0 0 1, b equal to 1 0 1 0 1, find a plus b and a minus b. So for this question you have to write the rules which I told you in previous session. Now let's solve the problem. Let's first perform a plus b. A equal to 1 1 0 0 1. We have to perform a plus b. So b is 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So let's perform the addition. 1 plus 1, if we see the table, if we add 1 plus 1, then result is carry 1 sum 0. So we will write here sum 0 and carry will be here. Now we have to perform addition of 3 bits because here carry is also there. So first we will add first 2 bits. 0 plus 0, result is 0 0. And if we add this carry, then 0 plus 1 1 0 as it is. So the result is 0 1. So we will write here 1. Okay. Next 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1, the result is 1, no carry. 1 plus 0, addition is 1, no carry. Next addition 1 plus 1, again result is 0 and there will be carry. Okay, so we will write here carry. So the addition a plus b is equal to 1 0 1 1 1 0. The 6th bit indicates it is carry. Now let's perform subtraction a minus b. A is 1 1 0 0 1 minus b is 1 0 1 0 1. So now let's perform subtraction. Okay, 1 minus 1 0, no borrow. 0 minus 0 0, no borrow. 0 minus 1, here we are subtracting 1 from 0, so here the subtraction will be 1 and borrow will be here. Okay, now let's solve this. Here 3 bits are there, so first we will subtract this 0 from 1. So 1 minus 0, see 1 minus 0, the result will be 1 minus 0 0 1. Okay, means 1 minus 0 1, no borrow. Then we will subtract this borrow from this result. So 1 minus 1, the result will be 0. So here we will write 0. Now again 1 minus 1, 0, no borrow. So we can write a minus b equal to 0 0 1 0 0.